In this video, I will show you how to center an image in Google Docs. So just click on the image. Now from here, go on align and indent right over here as you can see on the screen. Now click on it and click on center align. Now as you can see, that's how you can center an image in Google Docs. You can also use some advanced features like clicking on image options. From here, click on text wrapping. Now, you can use wrap text, break text, in front of text, behind text, in line with text. So, by using these options, you can put your images on the text, behind it, in front of it, or you can also break it. That's how you can center an image on Google Docs. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.